Ivanisevic, CroatianSports.com. It's a pleasure to be here with the face of Croatian tennis, Mr. Goran Ivanišević. Goran, you've done such a remarkable job with Marin Čilić in such a short period of time. What have you changed from his game?
I think the first priority was serve. That's what we work a lot on, the serve, and that was probably most toughest and most not the best shot in his game. You know, he's very tall and he should have much better serve, and everything starts with the serve. When you have a good serve and he's confident, especially him, he needs to have better serve. So now he's much more confident, he's hitting more aces, his percentage of first serves is much higher, and everything else is slowly coming apart.
Yeah, I noticed his serve has gotten a lot better, his percentage is higher, the speed's better, accuracy's better. Have you shown him the art of smashing a tennis racket?
Nobody can, this is something that you're born with, you know.
I haven't seen Marin smash a racket at all. How many rackets have you smashed in your career, do you think, approximately?
Well, he doesn't need to smash rackets, you know, he needs to play well. If he wants to smash, he can smash, but I don't know how many. Probably a lot, but I have nothing against somebody smashing a racket. It's good. If it's in a positive way, you can smash the racket.
I heard while you were playing in one of your games, you smashed all your rackets in your bag and you had to forfeit the match because you didn't have a racket to play with. Is that true, or is that just a rumor?
That's true.
What was the reaction of the player that you were facing and the umpire? What did they say after that?
Well, they were a little bit surprised because never happened in the history of tennis, probably never will, and well, that's okay. That's, you know, I made a lot of stupid things in my life, so that's one of these.
LeBron James named his Mount Rushmore of NBA players, top NBA players. I know you probably don't care about LeBron James or Mount Rushmore, but I ask you this: what are your top 4 tennis players of all time?
All time? Wow. It's a tough one. Agassi, Sampras, McEnroe, Federer.
Where does Nadal rank on that list?
You need to have at least 10. 4 is too short, you know. You cannot fit all the unbelievable. Nadal is there, 5 maybe.
I know this is probably the most difficult question. Where would you rank yourself?
I don't know, but there are so many, you know. If you go back, Borg, I forgot Borg, Rod Laver. Jesus, it's impossible. Actually, you can't have the list. You can't have the list because so many unbelievable guys that they make the history of tennis, so you can't put not even top 50, you know, it's impossible to put.
What does Marin Cilic need to be a Wimbledon champion? Are you born with that? Is there something he can improve on, or is it just either you get it or you don't get it?
Well, you're not born with that. He needs to play well. He has a good game for the grass. He needs to believe. He needs to have luck. 2 weeks of Grand Slam, you need to have everything. Play well, have luck, and then pray that you can that you're better than those guys out there and on the particular days. So he can do it. You know, he was already in the semis of Australian Open, and with his game, he can do a lot of damage.
Let's switch sports a little bit. Talk a little football. Croatia's in the World Cup in Brazil. Do you plan on making an appearance? Are you going to go see? Do you have time in your schedule to go catch a game?
No, I'm going to watch on TV.
How do you like our chances? You think, are we going to make it past first round? Yes or no?
It's a group. It's tough. We have probably the best game ever in the history of the games to open the world champion against Brazil, against most football nation ever in the history of football in Brazil. So it's going to be interesting. It will be nice if you can pass the group.
Joe Šimunić made headlines after the World Cup qualifier by leading the crowd in a Zadom Spremni chant. FIFA wasn't too impressed with that, and they suspended him for 10 games. How do you feel about Joe's actions and the suspension?
I don't want to answer that.
You're a hero. You're the face of Croatian tennis. what's next for you? You've won Wimbledon. What do you live for now? What do you get out of bed for every day?
For my family, kids. Now I'm a coach. That's a huge responsibility. I'm also in charge of Croatian junior tennis. So there's a lot of, I have academy in Umag. So it's so many things, that I have to do, that I can do, and I'm enjoying my life.
Okay, Goran, thank you for joining us, and best of luck the rest of the way with Marin Čilić. Thank you.